How to invest and buy oil on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to invest in oil in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro app, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go to the watch list here down below, and then go down and down and you will find oil. Click on it like this, and then click on trade. After that, choose the amount of money that you want to invest here. After you choose, click open trade, and now choose your payment method, and after that click deposit, and everything will be done. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.